In this collage, titled Self-Portrait with Duchenne's Tie, I represented myself by sticking in the paperboard support a photographic self-portrait with a blur effect, in which I assumed a sort of disquieting face expression similar to that of a psychopath's smirk. This collage, which is part of the series of the emotions, is constituted by the presence of my face at the center with the inserts of the electronic circuit and 3 real golden nails stuck at the center of the forehead. On the left area of the composition, there is an image of a tie decorated with the little size images of the Duchenne's studies. This weird object that I really found on the internet during research ironically refers to the photos of the studies of the psychologist of 19th century, Duchenne, who deeply inspired me for the series of works globally titled Emotions.